All right, so here's an example of just entering a topic, theme, or question. So let's say we're looking at Mendelian genetics, and this is a like biology concept, but let's say I want to reduce it down to maybe a seventh grade reading level, and I could choose if I want this informational or fictional, but we'll go ahead and generate those resources. And this one is going to, again, we have some different pictures right here, and I can, uh, change those. I'm just going to keep this right here. Okay, I can adjust the length here. So if I want it to be longer, I could do that. And on these ones, I want to show the sources so I could see where all of this is cited from. And it looks like a lot of it is from my sixth source right here. So this nogenetics.org website. So I could click on that and do it. I got some Wikipedia here, some Khan Academy, and some other some better, more reputable sources. I could always edit these and I could say, like, oh, I don't want the Wikipedia one. I could add in my own source as well, and then I could have it regenerate that information. So this could be something that we do ahead of time, like a intro to our unit right here, before we get into some things. So I could add in some vocabulary words. Now, if I'm looking at these vocabulary words, I'm not really thinking of these being so scientific. I see like inherited, dominant, recessive. Those are some good ones. I might take out groundbreaking and principles right there, and maybe I add in some more. But we got some multiple choice questions right here, short answer and open ended. So I'm going to go get student activities. Now let's see what we would like to do here. I want some reading strategies here. Maybe text analysis. I might want them to do, let's see, nope, not that one. Let's go reading strategies. Hey, maybe I do a draw and explain, or I do a read and summarize. I was actually looking at like this one, just this basic one here. I think it's actually good for what I want them to do, right? It's going to be broken down by paragraph right there. And maybe I'm going to customize that. Okay, we got our image analysis. It's always a good one. We have some vocabulary there. I got their guided reading right here where they could take the notes. One thing I do like about the multiple choice questions in this fashion is that it does ask them to explain their answer. So if you were to ever like have class mark some of these, you can ask them, okay, out loud, like, hey, which answer did you pick and why? Because you should have an explanation right there. I like the, let's see, um, there's the think, pair, share ones in here, right here. So even doing these think, pair, share ones, just I think, my partner thinks, and we will share. So what you as a group will share. So those could be some, good things to do just to kind of structure that engagement. So this one, we're really looking for, hey, this is the beginning of our unit. We are going to like look at this image. There's some short reading that kind of goes over it. We discuss a little bit, and then we get into the main topic there. Again, this can be beneficial because we can adjust some of that reading level. We're also chunking different parts of the reading, so it's not all one big long paragraph, but we're chunking things so that students can focus on paragraphs and write some things down, taking notes rather than just taking notes from a big long essay. It's broken down for them, which can give them additional support that they need.